Hey everybody, I know that one thing that is on your mind is you're tired of being broke. You want to be rich. And being rich is a cool thing, I must say, because it allows you to stay in amazing places like this. Before I talk about finance and stuff like that, I want you to see, imagine yourself in this kind of environment where you're in a luxurious condominium or apartment and you're having a great time. This place is fantastic. It's fantastic. There's no other way to explain it. This is a really luxurious experience, and this is what happens when you actually unlock the key to the world of finance. Now, well, I don't need to sit down because well, actually, I could sit over here. So, one thing that you need to do is you need to buy my course, because if you buy my course for $3,000, it will help enrich me so I can continue to live here. Oh, wait, that's not really. It'll help you become rich, even though very few of you will figure out how to use my course. But that's your problem because you just are not following my techniques. And if the 3,000 is too much, we can do monthly installments. And what will happen if you pay for this course is that it will allow you to think that maybe you can become rich. So it's kind of like a lottery ticket. It gives you the imagination that something like this can happen. But I need you to buy these courses because the truth is I actually do not make much money in the stock market anymore. I make the money from selling you courses because that's the way it works. And this place is fantastic. Thank you for paying for this place for me. I mean, this place is absolutely fantastic. This gives me a lot of inspiration for the stock market. Every time I look out there, I'm thinking of you suckers I'm thinking of you suckers for buying my course, and I'm really happy about that because I like to be high up. I like to be high up, to look down on the people, because I think I might be better than them in many ways. Because I'm looking down there and I'm thinking that business is not going to do so well. I'm gonna short it. It gives me a great world view of what's going on in the world. And the truth is, this is possible for you too. I really do hope that I can at least give you the impression that this is possible for you as well, even though maybe it won't happen like that. So I really do hope you buy my course. It's only $3,000, but if you buy it right now, it'll only be $2,000. So I'm really giving you a discount. Thank you very much. And get the hell out of my luxurious condo, okay?